In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Keep to save notes from websites you browse. This is an incredibly handy tool for anyone who likes to keep track of online resources, whether it's for work, study, or personal interest. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to easily save notes from any web page directly into Google Keep, allowing you to organize your information seamlessly. We'll start by heading over to Google Keep. If you're unfamiliar, Google Keep is Google's intuitive note-taking service, a fantastic resource for jotting down ideas, lists, and reminders. To get started, simply open your web browser and navigate to Google Keep's homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a simple and user-friendly interface designed to streamline your note-taking process. Next, to enhance our experience and unlock more functionality, we'll add the Google Keep Chrome extension to our web browser. To do this, head over to the Chrome Web Store, which is essentially a treasure trove of productivity extensions. In the search bar, type in Google Keep Chrome extension. When you find it, click Add to Chrome. This will integrate Google Keep more thoroughly into your browsing experience. Once the extension is successfully added, you can now use Google Keep to save information directly from any website. To demonstrate how this works, navigate to a website that contains information you'd like to save. Let's say you've found an intriguing article or a useful resource. Simply click on the Google Keep icon in your browser's extension bar, usually located in the upper right corner of your browser window. Clicking it will automatically open up a note window. Here's where the magic happens. Input any additional notes or thoughts that you think are relevant. This could be emphasizing a particular insight, noting down a quote, or simply adding your own reflections. Once you're satisfied with the contents of your note, it's as straightforward as pressing Create Note. And just like that, your save is complete. It's now stored safely in Google Keep for you to access anytime. By following these steps, you're not only able to save your notes and ideas efficiently, but also ensure everything is easily retrievable in a single, organized space. Google Keep's synchronization across devices makes it a powerful tool for staying organized, as any note saved on your browser can be accessed from your phone, tablet, or any other device connected to your Google account. And there you have it. You're now equipped to use Google Keep and its Chrome extension to enhance your online productivity. This integration makes it easier than ever to compile and refer back to useful information with minimal effort. Thanks for tuning in, and happy note-taking.